Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by adding a checkbox to a WinForms form and naming it clearly. This gives you a stable reference. Once added, double-click the checked changed property to create the event method. You do this now because the handler is where behavior lives. Without it, the control only shows state. Make sure to set properties like auto size and checked for initial state so your first run behaves predictably. You write the code inside checked change to react instantly when the user toggles the box. For example, if my checkbox, check then enable a panel or set a label. Text else disable it. This clear branching keeps UI consistent. Once done, make sure side effects are minimal and idempotent so toggles don't stack actions. If you have multiple boxes, group logic or use a shared sub that accepts the checkbox sender to avoid duplicated code. You finish by running the form and exercising the checkbox through typical user flows, verifying that the UI updates and business logic runs. Then persist the final state if required. Use my settings, default and save on form closing so the next run restores the value. If things go wrong, check that the checked changed event is actually wired and search for other code that sets checked programmatically. Often an unexpected reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.